Every time AI comes up, someone says, AI's taken all our jobs. But here's what doesn't get enough attention. Global research suggests AI could create around 97 million new jobs in the coming years. So what's actually happening? Are jobs disappearing? Yes, some are. Are new ones emerging? Absolutely. This isn't about mass unemployment. It's about massive change. And whether that change benefits you depends on how you respond to it. The real story behind the 97 million jobs. The 97 million number isn't random. It reflects the shift happening as automation replaces routine tasks, while new types of work are created around managing, building, and improving AI systems. Here's the key point. AI doesn't just eliminate jobs, it eliminates tasks. When tasks disappear, jobs evolve. That's how work has always changed, from farming to factories, from factories to offices, and now from offices to AI-assisted environments. The difference today. The speed. What kind of jobs are being created? Let's make this practical. New roles are emerging like AI integration specialists, data analysts, machine learning engineers, cybersecurity professionals, AI, ethics, and compliance officers, automation workflow designers. Even roles like marketing, writing, finance, and healthcare now include AI as part of the job. You don't have to become a coder, but you do need to understand how AI tools fit into your field. What jobs are most at risk? Now, let's be honest. Jobs that rely heavily on repetitive, rule-based tasks are vulnerable. That includes data entry, basic bookkeeping routine, customer support, administrative processing, simple content rewriting. If a job can be clearly defined step by step, AI can likely assist or automate large parts of it. That doesn't mean everyone in those roles gets replaced overnight, but it does mean change is coming. The US opportunity and pressure in the United States AI investment is massive. Tech, healthcare, finance, defense, all integrating AI fast. That creates high-paying roles for skilled professionals. But at the same time, studies show roughly a quarter of American jobs are highly exposed to automation. So the opportunity is big. The pressure is real. The winners will be those who upgrade their skills early. Europe, focus on reskilling Europe, is taking a slightly different approach. There's strong regulation around AI, but also heavy emphasis on retraining programs. European governments understand something important. If workers aren't prepared, productivity gains won't translate into economic growth. That's why digital education and reskilling are becoming priorities across the region. It's slower, but more structured. Asia, speed and scale of Asia, especially India and parts of Southeast Asia, has a young, tech-comfortable population. That makes adaptation faster. AI is being used in digital services, e-commerce, manufacturing, mobile applications. When millions of workers start using AI tools at once, the impact compounds quickly. Scale changes everything. The hard truth about reskilling. Here's the part people avoid. Up to half of today's workforce may need reskilling by 2030. That is not optional training. That's a shift in how you stay employable. The old model was learn one skill, work 30 years. Retire. The new model is learn, adapt, upgrade, repeat. Continuous learning isn't motivational advice anymore. It's economic reality. The jobs that become more valuable, not all work shrinks. In fact, some roles become more valuable. Jobs that require critical thinking, creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence. Complex problem-solving AI can support these skills, but it can't replace human judgment. If anything, AI increases demand for people who can guide systems intelligently. Businesses are changing. 2 companies are restructuring around AI. Smaller teams, higher output, more automation, faster product cycles. Businesses that retrain their workers succeed. Businesses that cut staff without upgrading skills often fall behind. AI works best when humans understand how to use it properly. What this means for you. This isn't about fear. It's about positioning. Ask yourself, can AI assist my current job? If yes, learn how to use it. If no, is your job so routine that it might soon be assisted? Then it's time to upgrade. AI as a tool, but like every powerful tool in history, it rewards the prepared. Closing AI may create 97 million jobs, but it won't automatically hand them out. The future belongs to people who adapt early. This isn't humans versus machines. It's humans who learn to use machines versus those who don't. And that decision starts now.